I became a bus driver because my sister was in the job in 1982. She was a bus conductor, and then I followed in 1984 from there. And that's how I started off in the job. And then I went on to be a bus driver then in 1997 to date, and I'm 41 years now in the job. I've seen a lot of changes over the years. I went from 2-person operation to 1-person operation. And there wasn't many women back in the job then in 1984. We're in 2017, we had 98 women. To date, we've 400 women. And we're hoping to increase that, and we're hoping for more women to come on board because we've 4,000 staff and we'd like to have 4,000 women, more men all. That's what we need. It's not unique to Dublin Bus or to Ireland or to worldwide women in transport. And going back in the day when I came in 1984, as I said, there wasn't many women in the job. But to date, the changes I've seen over the years is that I think the more they see women out there driving the buses to date, it attracts more women to come on board to try the job and to see, like, I'm one for experience. I'm here 41 years, so that speaks volumes. So when I see women out there driving buses, I try and encourage women to come into the job itself. And as I said, like, that's what, the more we have, the better. I remember driving the bus for the Pope when he was here in 2018. Myself and 3 other drivers. I was the only female driving it during that time. I had Hall Martin, the Taoiseach, on my bus, and I had a few court judges as well. We brought them to the park, and we brought them back then to South Circular Road with police escort. That was absolutely fabulous. And when I was in the park, the Pope was as close to me as you are, and I gave him a big wave. That was one of the most outstanding times that I ever had in Dublin Bus. I'll never forget it. I have a picture actually myself with the Pope in the background. It was brilliant, and Dublin Bus did a great job.